perfume yourself instead of your frock, advises Adrienne Ames, as she shows you how to use perfume before donning your evening gown. The chemical composition of skin and hair will often affect the same perfume, so that it becomes different on each person. If you will spray your underthings and personal accessories too, rather than your frock, your fragrance will be more lasting and subtle. Perfume on furs is also particularly persuasive and enduring. This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.